Terra-Mars is an indoor aquaponic vertical farm that can supply growers with fresh produce and fish in any landscape. The food production system is self-sustaining, making it a versatile option for any grower. Terra-Mars is monitored by artificial intelligence and machine learning software. The AI system monitors and controls water, air, light, and nutrient levels. The result is a balanced ecosystem where both fish and plants thrive. Vertical farming has the potential to completely disrupt the traditional agriculture industry and introduce a more sustainable model to the world. Terra-Mars brings vertical farming to any landscape with a completely controlled ecosystem that provides produce with a much smaller footprint. Terra-Mars uses aquaponics, a symbiotic growing system that combines aquaculture and cultivating plants in water. The Terra-Mars system uses 10% of the space taken by traditional agriculture with the same crop yield. It uses 95% less water and requires no pesticides or herbicides, drastically reducing carbon footprint and ecological impact. Villages will be able to grow organic vegetables and fruits and plenty of fish. With vertical growth, populations can get the food they need without depleting the landscape around them. Support our Kickstarter campaign and yourself with Terra-Mars.